Sorry, we had, I don't know how we kind of logged out of the live. No problem. I will restart again. And yes, so today we have Maheshwari suits, and as I mentioned, Maheshwari is a fabric from a place called Maheshwar. It's in Madhya Pradesh, and the fabric is really cotton silk, very lightweight, very airy, ideal for summers. And आप इसको कहीं पे भी छोटे फंक्शंस में, बड़े फंक्शंस में पहन सकते हैं. It all depends how you accessorize the set. And because Mother's Day is around the corner, so we will just have some special offer for that as well. And we'll just wait for a couple of minutes. I think people who are watching us have got logged off. There is some issue, but no worries, we will do the live again. Okay, so let's wait for a couple of minutes and let people join. Hello Rekha ji, thank you for coming in. Today we have Maheshwari special suits, and these suits are three-piece suits and hand block printed. The color combinations are beautiful, very exclusive, and we have a special Mother's Day offer as well. Just in a minute I'll start showing. In fact, we were doing the live and there was some technical glitch, and we are just doing it again. Okay, so the first one I'll show is this. See, this is how beautiful a beautiful blue with this kind of a floral print, and the border has a little green and another blue. So Maheshwari की जो पहचान होती है वो इसका border होता है. रेशम border is the trademark for Maheshwari. अगर आपको कोई बोलता है ये महेश्वरी और ये border नहीं है तो वो महेश्वरी नहीं है. Okay, so Maheshwari is the trademark. I mean, the border is the trademark for Maheshwari suits. And this border can be used in sleeve, it can be used in neck, it can be used to design your kurta the way you want it. The fabric is enough, and the dupatta is this one. It's a beautiful summer collection. ये पहन के बहुत ही अच्छे लगते हैं. आप इसे ऑफिस में पहन सकते हैं, आप इसको छोटी पार्टीज में पहन सकते हैं. Very good daily wear as well. And this is how the cotton bottom is. The bottom का आप pants बनवा सकते हैं. You can get चूड़ीदार और सलवार stitched. A very very pretty combination. The price for these is 3690. A special Mother's Day offer we have is for 500 rupee less. So 3190 will be the price, and shipping within the country is free. We are not charging any shipping, and the set can be shipped today itself. Also, one other thing, because if you want us to gift wrap your order, and because you're sending it to some special person, we will gift wrap, we will write all your personal messages that you want us to write, and we will send it across. ठीक है, ये है second combination, a beautiful smoky gray with this kind of a lime. इसमें lime color का ये border है, और ये देखिए इसमें महेश्वरी weaving का ये border है, रेशम border. Look at the print, the hand block print. The flowers are also very nice. Thank you Rashmi ji for joining in. And this is the second set. ये इसका कुर्ता है. इसका border आप sleeve में use कर सकते हैं, आप इसको neck में use कर सकते हैं, और जिस भी तरीके का आपको stitch करवाना है. And see, this is how the dupatta is. A beautiful dupatta, really really pretty one. And इसमें इस तरीके के ये stripes हैं, और इसका ये panel है. Okay, a very very pretty dupatta. And then this is how the bottom is. ये bottom है, bottom भी बहुत अच्छा cotton है, and a very very nice overall set. आप इसको I have mentioned the regular price is 3690, but Mother's Day offer we are giving 500 rupees off till 11th of May. आप इसका screenshot लीजिए, and you can send us on 9920047928. we will take your booking. If you want us to gift wrap or something, we will do it for you, or we can ship it between today and tomorrow. So this is the set number 2, and the price is 3690. Special Mother's Day offer, 500 rupees off. So the price is 3190. It's a limited time offer. Let me be very clear, it's a limited time offer till Mother's Day, which is 11th of May, and post that the price will be 3690, if at all these are still available by then. Okay, so thank you Ashruti for joining in. Thank you Tanya. And so this is the set number 2, a beautiful combination of smoky gray with this kind of a line. Okay, now I will show set number 3, which is again देखिए, हम ये सारी बात कॉम्बिनेशंस और कलर इसकी होती है. ओके, आई मीन महेश्वरी यू मे फाइंड एल्सवेयर एज वेल, बट जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस होते हैं वही मैटर करता है, बिकॉज कॉमन स्टफ तो सब जगह मिलता है, राइट. सो दिस इज सेट नंबर 3, विच इज़ अ येलो, और इसमें इस तरीके का प्रिंट है इसके कुर्ते पे. और ये देखिए, इसका जो बॉर्डर दिया हुआ है वो पर्पल कलर का है. ये महेश्वरी का ट्रेडमार्क बॉर्डर होता है, रेशम बॉर्डर. सो बॉर्डर को आप स्लीव वगैरह में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, नेक पे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज हाउ द कुर्ता इज, एंड लुक एट द गॉर्जियस दुपट्टा. सी, दिस इज हाउ द दुपट्टा इज, अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी. एंड ये इसका दुपट्टे का पैनल है. ओके, हाय चंचल, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इन. एंड this is how the bottom is. So the regular price is 3690. Special Mother's Day offer, we are giving 500 rupees off, which is valid till 11th May, which is the Mother's Day. And you can take a screenshot if you like it. You can send us on our number, which is 9920047928. We will take your booking. We have all sorts of payment options available, and so this is set number 3. Maheshwari 3-piece sets, regular price is 3690. Mother's Day special, we are giving 500 rupees off, so the price is 3190, and shipping is free within the country. Okay, so this was set number 3. कपड़ा इसमें बहुत सारा है, कोई भी साइज बन जाएगा. And kurta is 2.5 meter, dupatta is 2.5 meter, and also the bottom is 2.5 meter. So don't worry about the fabric ki kam hai ki zyada hai. Any size is possible. Set number 4. Look at this. It's a peachish pink with this kind of a floral block. और इसका जो इसका जो बॉर्डर है ये भी पीच कलर का है, और द कलर कॉम्बिनेशन इज पीच, नेवी ब्लू, मरून. और ये है इसका दुपट्टा. वंस अगेन अ वेरी वेरी प्रिटी दुपट्टा. दिस इज हाउ द सेट इज, एंड दिस इज द बॉटम फॉर दिस वन. So the regular price I mentioned is 3690. There is a special Mother's Day offer running, which is 500 rupee off on this collection. तो आपको ये हम which is valid till Mother's Day, which is on 11th of May. और अगर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट भेजना है, we will do gift wrapping, all of that. आपको कोई मैसेज उसमें लिखवाना है, वो भी हम लिख के भेज देंगे. And the shipping within the country is free. So this is set number 4. Now we have set number 5, which is again a very very beautiful. See, ये तो color combination, मतलब I know this is a very very regular color combination, but still it is evergreen. ये कभी भी out of trend, out of fashion ये color combination नहीं जाता है. आपका एक सेट होगा, खराब हो जाएगा, आप दूसरा खरीदते हैं सिमिलर कलर कॉम्बिनेशन में. दिस इज समथिंग विच इज़ वेरी वेरी I will say evergreen. So ये इसका इस तरीके के blocks हैं इसमें, and this is the border, which is a Maheshwari woven border. So this is the kurta, and the dupatta is again a very very pretty dupatta. ये देखिए, ये इसका दुपट्टा है जिसका इस तरीके का border है दोनों साइड. पैनल में इस तरीके का डिज़ाइन है एंड this is how the bottom is. The regular price is 3690 and there is a special Mother's Day offer of 500 rupees off. आपको जो भी सेट अच्छा लग रहा है आप स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए. हमारे पास बहुत ही लिमिटेड सेट्स होते हैं. You know, we believe in creating a collection which is very very unique in terms of color combination, designs and all of that. So आपको limited number of sets ही मिलेंगे and you can take a screenshot if you like, whichever, and send us on 9920047928. This was set number 5. Set number 5, okay? And the next one is set number 6, and this is the last set for the day, which is a beautiful forest green kind of a shade. और इसमें इस तरीके की बूटी का डिज़ाइन है, ये देखिए, और इसका ये बॉर्डर है. A very very beautiful one, and the dupatta is also beige with the green. और ये दुपट्टे में इस तरीके की येलो लाइंस भी हैं. ओके, सो अ ब्यूटीफुल वन एंड दे आर, मतलब ये आप ऑफिस में पहनिए, आप स्मॉल पार्टीज में पहनिए, आप रेगुलर वेयर कहीं जाना है वहाँ पे पहनिए. दे आर रियली कंफर्टेबल, वेरी समर फ्रेंडली, लाइट वेट होते हैं और आसानी से, आई मीन यू कैन गेट कपल ऑफ टाइम्स. इसको ड्राई क्लीन करा लीजिए, उसके बाद आप हैंड वॉश कर सकते हैं इन कोल्ड वाटर सेपरेटली एंड दे लुक रियली गुड. सो द बॉटम इज कॉटन एंड द फैब्रिक ऑफ द कुर्ता एंड द दुपट्टा इज महेश्वरी, विच इज़ अ हैंड ब्लॉक तरीके से इसकी प्रिंटिंग की गई है. ओके, सो द प्राइस इज 3690. देयर इज़ अ स्पेशल मदर्स डे ऑफर ऑफ 500 rupees off. And so the price becomes 3190 and the shipping within the country is free. If you like it, you can take a screenshot and send us on 9920047928. आज का कलेक्शन आपको कैसा लगा हमारा बताइएगा ज़रूर. एंड टुमारो अगेन विल सी यू एट 12:30 शार्प. आज हमारे थोड़े टेक्निकल ग्लिचेस हो गए, तो टुमारो होपफुली वी विल नॉट हैव सच issues, and tomorrow we will bring you another beautiful collection, and so stay tuned to our page and let us know how you like it. Thank you so much.